Hey guys, my name is Keilidh.
Hi guys, my name is Thuy and we are filming an episode of Sips and Shades Holiday Edition.
So today we're going to be making some hot chocolate, or trying to make.
Yes, I've actually never made hot chocolate before. So
Same.
We're also going to be trying some American cookies, which is super exciting. We call it biscuits back in London, but yeah, now.
And we're also going to be talking about makeup as well. We are part of the new holiday collection and the holiday campaign, so we're super excited to show you guys the new shades.
Yeah, we're going to tell you guys what happened behind the scenes, spill all the tea. So yeah, we're going to be drinking some hot chocolate, so go grab a mug and join us. Sips and Shades Holiday Edition. Now I'm going to be making the Mexican version of this hot chocolate.
Yeah, and I've got the standard Nestle.
How am I going to make this? It's all in Spanish. Oh no, there's
I'm
English
already
here.
winning.
Oh, mine comes in sachets.
Can't even open it. Muscles work.
Do I add the whole hot chocolate? Like, how do they know?
Yeah, the whole sachet.
But how do they know how big the mug is? Like, what if I've got a really big mug? Do I add 2 sachets?
We're so domestic.
I
Look
know.
at us.
Okay, so we have some hot water here.
Trying not to burn ourselves.
Oh my god. I like my hot chocolates really chocolatey.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm the same. Yeah, I need to be able to taste the chocolate.
Yeah, I hate it when it's like hot water basically, with a bit of like brown stuff in there.
Okay, don't face it towards me. That is so aggressive. Look at this. That was like tweet.
So now we need to
Tweet.
clean all of this. I'm gonna slide it behind this cup. This will make such a good eyeshadow.
Look how pretty it. I think I found my new calling, guys.
You did it. Okay, I actually don't like marshmallows, but
Me
I will
neither.
do it.
What are we like,
This
honestly?
looks terrible. This looks like it'll be a challenge to drink. I don't know, what is this? It's like a dog treat. Big old cheers to Morphe and the holiday collection.
She's good.
Mine's like sugar overload. So sugary. So yeah, that is it for the sips portion. So let's move on to the shades.
The makeup, let's go.
Are you ready for the big reveal? 3, 2, 1. Dun 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 dun! Cue that music, you know, the heavens opened up. I literally screamed when I first saw this palette. I was like, oh my god, it's all come together.
So good. I guess the story behind this palette is that it has loads of stories.
Yeah, there's so many stories inside a story.
Yeah, so there's like 4 color palettes, and we were just 2 of the influencers chosen to be the face, I guess, of one of the stories.
So I have the smoke show section, and I basically wanted this part of the palette to embrace me. I am such a like glamour queen. I love anything sparkly, anything that's like glittery, especially for the holiday season. You need a bit of glitter in your damn life.
So my section is down here. It's called Hella Graphic. So I want to have a little bit of fun with this. Obviously holidays, you know, there's a lot of green, there's a lot of reds. I didn't want to be looking like a candy cane on my eyeballs. Wasn't what I was going for. We want a little bit more glam.
I feel like everything just ties in together so well. You got a bit of everything in this palette. You got like the glam neutral shades. You also have this whole row of all highlighter shades in here as well. And let me tell you guys, if you love sparkle, if you love shimmer, this palette is freaking for you. Okay guys, so we're gonna do a little look on us so you guys can see how well the eyeshadows blend out. Okay, so what kind of look are you gonna go for?
I think it just smokiness.
Okay.
You know, but still fun with color, but smokiness.
Yeah, we like a bit of smoke. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a little combination between the gold and the silver because I can't decide.
Go for it.
I'm gonna do a little dab of the gold because I want it to be a bit more like blown out, a bit more smoky, and then just in the center I'm gonna do a little bit of the silver. Okay, so what was it like for you doing the photo shoot? Because that was an epic moment, guys.
Yeah.
We wish we could have filmed like behind the scenes of what was happening, because every 5 seconds we was like, I can't believe we're doing this. I can't believe we're wearing this. I can't believe what's happening right now. It was just insane.
I was so happy to have you guys there with me. I feel like obviously, like, you know, I'm out of my comfort zone. It's not every day that I'm dressing up like that, doing the absolute most, you know. So I was so happy.
That needs to be an everyday thing.
Yeah, I was happy to have you guys there. I feel like it just made the experience so much more fun.
Yeah, just for me getting all dressed up, like with costume. We've done our outfit changes as well. We had our hair done by like the amazing hairstylist, and it was just so crazy. Like when I first got the phone call, I was just like, it was was just so crazy. I literally started crying, guys, because Morphe is one of my favorite brands.
I know.
Ever.
I was like, are you sure?
Me?
If you got the right person, still hasn't sunk in though. Even talking about it now, it's like, I still think it's a joke. I think someone's gonna jump out. Well, we have a camera in front of us right now, but I think someone's gonna be like, yeah, you've been pranked.
Look at that already, even without no matte shade. I feel like that just stands out so much already.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so nice and sparkly.
Yes.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna take these 2 brown shades here and I'm just blending it with a small little brush on my lower lash line. I just like to deepen that bit up because it gives your eyes a bit more depth.
Yeah, how do you look good doing it? I'm like,
you look good already. You look so good. You don't even need the liner or the lashes.
listen, well, we're doing that anyways. I'm just taking that holographic shade and popping it into my inner.
Oh my god. I feel like I am nearly ready now.
Same.
Yeah, I feel like I just need to put on liner, lashes, and then we're gonna pop on our lip and then we'll be back.
We'll be back. A lot more better looking,
Yeah,
hopefully. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Sip and Shades. We were sipping, we were shading.
Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our little preview of behind the scenes, what it was like. It was such an exciting moment. And this beautiful palette is available now. Thank you so much for all the love on this holiday palette. I hope you guys love it just as much as we do. Yes. And we'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Do your most evil laugh.
Ha 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 ha.
That's not evil.
Oh, what's
That's
your
like an evil laugh.
What's your most? Do it.
Let me think.
Ha 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 ha.
What do I say to my boyfriend?
Like,
Ha 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 ha.
I'd be running for the hills.
We have to make that. You have to add that noise in, okay?
We always have that.